Hi, Anik. I just wanted to say thank you so much for the workshop that I participated in this weekend. I thoroughly enjoyed the process, and I arrived sort of in a grumpy mood and left in a completely different space, and felt like I was lighter and almost like cleansed and healed from the experience. And I took with me some tools that I can use anywhere at any time. Very beneficial and surprising, things I'd not thought of or learned about before. So it was, definitely worth it. I'd like to come back for more. And I saw a friend yesterday. I was at work and I saw a friend, and and when I spoke, my voice was much louder and clearer than I anticipated. And so I was like, oh, I'm sorry. That was very loud. So I just went to a voice activation workshops, and it's obviously working. Because I've had issues with expressing myself, knowing that my voice is heard or has worth, and not so concerned about that now. It was really good to unblock the channels and learn how to say no and yes. And yeah, I'm not going to give away all the tools that you taught us, but they're definitely fun and usable throughout life. So thank you so much, Anik. And you are such a unique person, really fun and beautiful, and yeah, I'm very grateful to know you. Thank you.